everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on House of Zwide from the 5th to the 9th of December 2022 on Monday. Mampo decided to use her secret against Nkosi while Funani confronted Ria over her behavior on Tuesday. Shoki confronted Nkosi over his shady activities while Ria has a difficult decision to make with regard to honor on Wednesday. Nkosi and Shoki make a big decision together while Neo worries about Alex Kadzi's state of mind after articles about Funani come out on Thursday. Alex professes to be a changed man and has set up a meeting with an important client, while Sandile and Soga turn to Shoki for help on Friday. Zanele is excited to have lunch with her father but get disappointed by the result while Alex makes his move to save his business. Well guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.